How to fix the HP laptop display an error. Your connection is not secure when browsing the internet. So you can see here with Firefox trying to load up YouTube. It displayed the connection is not secured. Now this one has to do something to do with the problem of the battery not being able to keep the date on time. So you can see here today is the 3rd of April, and here displayed the 12th of March 2018. So we need to click on that and click on change date and time, then click on internet time, click on change settings, and click on update now, click on OK, click on OK down here, and you can see the date has been updated to the correct date, the 3rd of April 2018. And if you press on the F5 key or the refresh key to refresh the page, so I guess you need to use the function key to do a refresh on the HP laptop. You can see the page now load without issues. So that's what's wrong with your HP laptops, is that the problems has to do with the date. When the date is not being displayed correctly, you may have issues with loading up web pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.